Hello, welcome to Just Prime Core Java series, and this is the second video as part of the Core Java series. And this is very important video. That's what I want to say here. So, as part of this video, we are going to learn some of the points. The basic question, what we are trying to see here, like, so why we need to learn Java? So, not only Java. Say for instance, if you are trying to learn any technology or anything what you are trying to do, so we need to ask a question ourselves such a way that like why we are doing this work or why we are learning this one. So what is the advantages compared to other or existing things, such a way that we need to understand, then we can able to learn the things or better way, or we can able to concentrate on the important points what we are trying to achieve in this particular core Java compared to other programming language. So that is the main agenda of this video. Okay, without wasting the time, so let's jump into the points what we are going to cover or what is the advantage of Java. So the first advantage is the platform independent, meaning what is a platform independent? First of all, what is a platform? The platform means like we have a many operating system nowadays like Windows, Unix, Linux. So whatever the programs we are going to build by using Java, so this is independent of platform. So once you build the Java program in any platform, the same program can able to run in many platforms. So that we are going to see once you build the programs. So this is one of the advantages. Right now we just try to keep these points in your mind, and we are going to see all those things practically once you start writing the programs. Okay, the next point is object oriented, meaning so all the programs what we are going to write, so that we are going to keep into modular way, so that we can able to call all these modules so whenever we need it, so that we can able to reuse it, so we can able to reuse it and we no need to rewrite again and again. So this is the second advantage. And the third advantage is multi-threaded. So the multi-threaded in the sense, so once we write the program, so multiple users or multiple threads can able to access and they can able to run the piece of code parallelly and they can able to get the results. So that one program can able to solve multiple users problems at a time parallelly. So that is the advantages of multi-threaded. And the fourth important and very important point is security. So the why we need security. So when you're writing the program or when we're building the project, security is very major concern. So we have to take care of the security without attacking the unauthorized people. So this is one of the major concern. So Java will provide you very nice security. So these features we are going to see once you write the programs. Good memory management. Yeah, this is also very important point. So once you start writing the program, so we are going to create some of the variables and we're trying to hold the data. So once you keep writing the program and once the program is managing the request, it needs to store the current processing data into somewhere. So keep storing the data and after some time the memory will consume fully. So in that scenario, so how we are going to manage the memory? So Java will provide a very good memory management system, so that is called JVM, so that we are going to see in subsequent videos. So what I want to say here, this memory management is one of the major concepts when you are writing the program we need to keep in our mind. So Java will provide you a good memory management system. The next sixth one is, yeah, so when you're writing the program, right, so we are going to use some of the tools, and currently in the market we have many tools which is supporting the Java programming language, so that we can able to write the programming without wasting our time. So we're going to see what are the tools available in the market later subsequent videos. Yes, the seventh point is rich API. So when you start learning any programming language, right, so we need to understand what are the APIs, what are the variables, what is the inputs, output, all those things. So we have a very good API provided by Java people, Oracle people, so such a way that we can able to read the API and we can able to understand the software fully. So this is about rich API supporting. And the eighth point is good community support, in the sense we have a very good community people, like who has giving the answers, the problem statement, who posted the other people, meaning say for instance we have any problem, if you don't know the solution, we have a very good community, so you can go there and you can log in yourself and post your question. There is many people who have very good knowledge in the Java, so they can able to respond to your question such a way that you can able to get the answer immediately without wasting time. So that is the good community support point. Yes, the 9 point is very important. So this is related to Java and compared to other programming language. So there is many number of organizations who is using Java. So if you see the metrics, so how many people are using Java and how many other people using other technologies, so that we can able to similar kind of graphical way. Yes, if you see this graph, right, we can see here 2005 to 2020 the various programming language and their usage, how drastically it's going. You see here the Java is in the top. Java is in the top position, and we can see there is many other programming languages in the second, PHP and C hash. There is many other languages which is coming and which is growing. But if you compare to 2005 to 2020, we can see Java is in the top. And this is one of the metrics or index provided by PPL Programming Language Index till 2020. So this is one of the things we can consider, and how Java is powerful, how industry is using Java. Okay, let's go back to the next index, KB Programming Community Index 2020. This is also one of the famous index given by KB people. And so here we can see here Java is in the top from 2002 to 2020. So Java is the top always. You can see we have over here. So this is one of the major index. So we can able to compare Java with other programming languages. So by considering all these points, we can consider Java is evaluating very nicely compared to first 2020, 2002 to 2020. So we can able to concentrate more on this, and we can able to build programs projects. So we have a good career on this. So that's what I want to say from this point. Yes, that's all about as part of this video I want to say. If you have any questions or comments, suggestions or things, you can post over here. And if you like the video, click the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.